So I started with baking of the face with my setting powder. I made sure I covered the area I applied concealer. I also applied setting powder on the tanned eyebrows and on the forehead to make sure it is matte. For the eyeshadow base, I made use of eyebrow gel, then I blended it in with a darker shade of powder from my powder palette. I went in with a pink color shimmer from my eyeshadow palette. Then blended the eyeshadow to make sure that there's no defined line there. Lastly, I went in with a transition color, then blend. I used eyebrow gel from Care to line her eyes and the waterline. I covered the waterline with black eyebrow gel. Please like and subscribe for more.